Good morning, guys. Welcome to I Think It. Well, actually, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. I have no idea at what time you guys are watching me. But today, I'm going to share what I eat in a day. I honestly feel really bad because I haven't uploaded a video in like a week or 2 weeks. And it's because I've been working on my ebook and I'm so excited. I've been pouring all of my heart on it, and it comes out next Sunday. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. It's just so beautiful, and I have a feeling that it's going to be extremely helpful if you are vegan, or if you have food allergies, or if you're wanting to eat healthier but then you also have like all these food restrictions. I think all of you are going to find it super helpful. But I am so hungry, so why don't we start with my breakfast? I honestly feel like having an acai bowl this morning. However, last night I prepared chia pudding. This is gonna be a topping for my acai. Basically, this is a cup of plant-based milk. I use oat milk and then 8 teaspoons of chia seeds. That way you're gonna have like a thick consistency. I leave it overnight so the next morning it's ready. Alright, so I'm gonna use one package of frozen acai, one banana, and I'm gonna blend these two. As of right now, this is how it looks. As you can see, it is not fully blended. However, I like to add protein powder. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop of this protein powder. This is going to be equal to 10 grams of protein. I blend it again for 4 minutes until it's fully done, and then I serve it. Dry berries are honestly one of my favorite toppings for an acai bowl. In this case, I'm going to be adding dry mulberries. I'm also gonna add some strawberries, a little bit of kiwi, and a few raspberries. And as simple as that, my breakfast is ready. Alright guys, there you see it, sort of, here. That's perfect. Ooh. Okay, so I got acai, I got chia pudding, I got mulberries, I got raspberries, kiwi, and strawberries. This is honestly rich in protein. I'm going to show you. So this is the protein powder that I recently discovered, and it's actually pumpkin seeds protein. So as you can see, the label, well, I'm gonna read it. So it has organic organic pumpkin protein powder, vanilla flavor, organic flavors, xanthan gum, stevia, leaf extract. So it's actually like sugar-free. Since it's packed with protein, it's gonna leave me super full that I'm not gonna need lunch anytime soon. For my lunch, I'm going to be making a veggie bowl. First, I'm gonna start by cooking 1 cup of black rice. This I've already washed, and I'm gonna cook it with another cup of water. If you don't have a rice cooker, you can simply cook the rice in your stove. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and steam some of my favorite veggies. I've got this really bad peel butternut squash, but I can still use it. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dice it. I'm going to be doing the same with red bell peppers. And honestly, do not judge me. I know this broccoli has lost its color because I forgot about it, but I can still eat it. These veggies, I'm gonna steam them for 15 minutes. Next, I'm gonna cook these broccoli bites for 7 minutes. Now that my veggies are steamed, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the red pepper with a little bit of vegan cream cheese. I actually use this vegan feta cheese by BioLife. It has the consistency of cream cheese and it's delicious. Now that I got the dressing, I've steamed my veggies, I cooked the rice, and the bites, it is time to put everything together. I also like to add some raw veggies, in this case a bit of spinach and also some Roma tomatoes. If you want to make it a little healthier, go ahead and sprinkle nutritional yeast as well as pumpkin seeds. Alright guys, so this is my lunch. I guess you can kind of see. I just love throwing lots of veggies here and adding the dressing. So the dressing does have coconut milk because the cream cheese that I use is coconut milk based, but feel free to find whichever brand works for you and then mix it. It's honestly the best. Or if not, you can even make it with oat milk or with rice milk and just add a thickening agent. So if you do it with milk, go ahead and add like half a teaspoon of a starch and then cook it in the stove for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then you get like really nice dressing. That's just to like thicken it, you know. I feel like a lot of you have not tried black rice, and it's so good. So black rice tastes like the white rice, fried white rice, but it's black. And it's honestly one of my favorites. So now that I've discovered it, this is the one that I have most of the time. And then this one, I think I've already mentioned in previous videos that I consume these Hillary products. This is a new one that I've never seen, and I was really excited to give it a try. And it's delicious. Honestly, this lunch is going to leave me full for the rest of the evening, that I don't think I'm gonna be needing a snack. But if I do, I'm gonna jump in the camera and show you whatever I feel like having. This is so good. Alright guys, it is dinner time. I am really sorry, but honestly, I haven't had any snacks. I was craving an apple, but I got so busy that I couldn't eat it. And I do not recommend this. This is why I wanted to join on here and tell you, if you feel like eating something, eat it. Just because I didn't have any snacks, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't. Like, I was just so busy that I couldn't have the time. So right now, we're gonna make dinner. Dinner is mostly made. I'm going to make canoas from plantain and some beans. It's gonna be very Salvadorian. So let me show you how we're gonna make all of these. To prepare the plantain, it's honestly super simple. All you need to do is wash it, and then you're gonna cut it in half, put it in a microwavable plate, and you're gonna microwave it for 4 minutes. I know, that's it. Now I'm gonna make leche poleada, which for this you only need a cup of potato starch and then 4 cups of oat milk. The way that it's done in El Salvador, it's with cornstarch. However, I've avoided corn because it makes me bloated. This is why I go with a different product, but if you are not allergic or intolerant to corn, I will rather use corn rather than potato starch. I'm going to mask the flavor of potato starch with, I was gonna say half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I am assuming that was half a teaspoon. Mix all these ingredients well until you have no more clumps. Then I'm gonna finish it by adding 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can use whichever sugar works the best for you. You're gonna cook this in medium heat for 4 minutes. Constantly you need to be stirring, otherwise clumps are gonna start to form. When it's about to be thick, what I like to do is that I reduce the heat and I keep mixing. Once it looks like this, I go ahead and turn off the heat, but I keep stirring. And that's it. Our poleada is ready. Next, it's time to put all of our ingredients together. You have to peel the skin of your plantain. You're gonna open it like a canoa, or canoe, sorry. That is my Spanglish coming out. But you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna add a little bit of poleada. I made a lot because my family honestly likes it, so it's better to have extra dessert. It never hurts. I like to sprinkle cinnamon powder on top. Afterwards, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mashed beans. I'm also going to be adding avocado. This is half of an avocado. And some of that feta vegan cream cheese that I love. Here you got some Salvadoran dinner. The only thing that I'm missing is probably a just egg, but I ran out of egg, and also I cannot make eggs right now because I don't have yellow tomatoes. But other than that, this is good, it's light, and it's perfect. Hey guys, so this is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and you got ideas on what I eat as a vegan with food allergies. Remember, next Sunday, my ebook is coming out. I am going to be leaving the link in my blog, so go check it out over there. Also, it's gonna be everywhere on my social media, so that way you can purchase it when it comes out. I cannot wait. It's honestly like super exciting because that's the way that I'm celebrating my 27th birthday. So I'm releasing 27 recipes on my birthday, and they're delicious. It is beautiful, and I'm so excited for all of you to get it. Well, If you haven't subscribed to iPinker, make sure that you subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button down your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. Leave me any comments below with questions or like just let me know that you enjoyed this video and that you're gonna try some of the recipes. If you want more ideas, let me know below. And also you can check out my social media. So I'm very active on Instagram and also TikTok. I think I'm more active on TikTok, like I post more recipes here, but I upload them here. So go check them out. And without further saying, I really hope you guys have an amazing week. Thank you for having some patience with me and waiting for a new video this week. And next week we have an exciting one. Bye guys.